Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to print documents and photos from your mobile device using the HP Smart app. So for that case, you have to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Then to begin with, go ahead and log into your account. For that case, you have to go ahead and open up a web browser or an application. And if you're using a web browser, you can type in support.hp.com and that's going to take you to the official web page. So due to some security concern, I am unable to show you the procedure, so I'm just going to instruct you. First thing, open up the HP Smart app and select your printer. When you're done selecting your printer, select whether you want to print documents or photo from your local device, or link your Google Drive or Dropbox or Facebook account to access your content. You can use the edit option to adjust the quality, color and other specific settings if you wish to make such adjustments, and just press the print button. After that, you've successfully printed documents and photos from your mobile device using the HP Smart app. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.